So the journey begins. I'm getting on the Max, heading to the airport. On my way to Pennsylvania.
What is going on, everyone? I'm here in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. I'm here for the Rhythm and Roots Festival and to check out Honesdale. This is the best small town in America as far as I'm concerned. I'm actually looking at property. I'm thinking about moving out here. This weekend they have the Roots and Rhythm Festival. It's really neat. I'm at the Hotel Wayne. This is a historic hotel. There's too much to explain to you in this minute video I'm going to do here. Here's something really cool. I started talking to a guy here at the Rhythm and Roots Festival while I was just checking things out. Start talking to a guy, he's the state representative. The dude's kind of special. You'll see that in a later video. I love politicians that represent where they were born and raised. This guy's one of them. His name's John Fitz. You'll learn more about him in the list I do about this town. That being said, back to normal videos on Monday. Everybody have a great day. If you're in Honesdale, check out the Hotel Wayne. Have a organic chocolate stout. It's a Samuel Smith's organic chocolate stout. They're not paying me to say that. This is just actually a really good beer. So I'll talk to you guys Monday. Have a good day. Everyone be nice to each other.